Hello everyone, thank you for watching my videos. Today we will see how did I organize my living room. Especially when it comes to the living room, it's not easy. Why? Because we always focus on the living room to be very neat and clean and very beautiful. So our guests, friends, family, when they come and appreciate, and then they can feel happy. So it's not an easy job to organize the living room. Today I am going to show you how did I organize my living room. There are 4 items I will show you which will be helpful for you. Item number 1, how to hang the wall decorations without showing up the screws outside. I have few wall decorations in my home. This is the one type. It's made of glass with some flowers. If you see, I have placed it this one without showing up the screw outside. I will show you how did I place this one. I'm just removing it. You can see the screw there inside. I'm just using in the frame. If you see the frame here, the frame has some depth, so I am using the depth just to place it. In the same way, the previous one I show you, in the same way I placed this one. If you see, this album have some depth, and then this frame only in the edge, so you will have some gap. So in the gap I am using just to hold the wall decoration. This is the another type of wall decoration which comes in very lightweight material. It's a very lightweight plywood, and they just have a sticker over the plywood. It comes in a very different images. How did I place this one? This one I placed using a double set tape. It cannot be. It's not removable. Cannot remove. Only the drawback during painting. You cannot paint behind this area. You have to just cover it, paint it all over the place. When you place it, you have to be very careful. If you mismatch the placement, it will look ugly. In the same way, I placed this. I used a double side tape. I placed this wall decoration. This is a photo hanging. I just hang some artworks. The second one, I am going to show you how did I organize my TV unit. When it comes to the TV unit, we will have a lot of wires always going through and messing up all the area behind the TV. I will show you how did I organize very perfectly. Now I am showing you the TV organization in my living room. You can see there is not any cables are visible or messed up, looking very ugly. Now I will show you one by one what are the items are placed in a proper manner. The first thing what we need, the electrical extension. Here I placed the electrical extension. I placed over the wall. It has 6 outputs. So I connected the TV, set-top box, a gaming console, LED lighting, and one mobile charger. One is free as of now. This one is supplying power for all the record items placed all over the places. And then I have a modem for the internet connection. This is also wall mountable, also has a wireless. It's placed over there. And then I kept one floating shelf. Just many of the peoples, they place the floating shelf below the TV usually here in this area, but due to the children's, maybe they will be disturbing all the items what we are keeping, so I decided to keep it above the TV. And then I have a console over there, and then the cable is bypassing through here. I have a hard disk and some staging light setup. Also I have a receiver before here, and then some decoration if you want. Here you can see the gaming controller. What I did here, I placed only 2 long screw and then I put some ropes over there, the decoration ropes, this one, so that it can hang over the wall. Also it's very difficult to keep if you have this kind of controller. It's very difficult to keep in some places. If you are putting in the wall hanging, also it looks nice and then also placed well. And then the main cable for this is coming from my window. I used some cable clip. I just run over the cable and I used one trunky here. This is what my TV organization. Also I placed another one floating small shelf, corner shelf, just to charge the phone. The charger is connected over there and the cable running behind just to charge. This is the just phone stand, just to keep the phone not to fall off. The third one I will show you about the corner table. When we have a L-shaped sofa or we have a sofa set which is we have placed in the L-shaped wall, there will be always a corner table in the corner area. I will show you how did I organize that. This is the L-shaped sofa corner table. I did it myself. I just went to the carpentry shop and I measured the gap what I have here after placing these 2 sofas. Then I gave them the measurement, they gave me the plywood and the supports. So this support mainly you can use for keeping the coffee cups and some decorations and the side lamp. Also you can keep it the wire extension, electrical extension, if you wanted to charge your phone here, or you can keep some books for reading purpose. I will show you what is below the table. This is how it looks below the table. I have a power extension in case I wanted to charge phone. Now, as of now I have connected the lamp above there. Also I have some space to keep some books here in case. Also the support, I have a cubic shaped supports 4 sides. The fourth one about hiding the exposed pipes, which is especially used for the air conditioners. Now I am showing you the AC duct. If you see, I have placed the AC over there, but the duct is just bypassing until the edge of this pillar and going behind the wall, because behind this I have another room, so they cannot run over there, so they run it here. When they place it first time, there was a AC pipe, it's going all the way through here. It looks so ugly. Here what I did is, if you see closely behind, I placed a 2 cubic shaped wood piece. Its length all over the place. I placed it, this one I placed it in the wall, and then I placed this one over the previous one. After that I made this seat. This seat I had another video already I uploaded. Some of you guys already seen maybe. So I made some decoration using some ice cream sticks. I made Makkah and Medina. I made some small decoration and then I used some screws here. You can see there is some screws behind this. There is the screws, so that it can be hidden. It looks also very neat.